Hello students, so here I will show you how to fill ION student registration form along with how to use the ION user login. So here in this message two links are shown. The first link about the step 1, that is student registration URL. You have to click on that link and then you have to fill all the information which is specified. So I will show you the first link, so student registration link. So whenever you are clicking on that student registration link, this form will appear where you have to fill all the informations correctly. Here for student name as per the HSC mark card, then gender, date of birth in DDMM format you have to fill, then mobile number, student mobile number, and email ID. This is important, where the email ID of the student you have to give. On this email ID you will get the ION login ID and the password, and Aadhaar number is also compulsory. So this star means these are the mandatory fields which all needed to be filled correctly. After filling this information, the parent details are needed to be filled, and after filling these details you have to click on the submit button. So each and every field you have to fill correctly, and after that hit the submit button. Once you hit that submit button, you will be get directed to your email. That means the email which you have provided here. On that email ID you will get the login ID and the password for the ION. So that login ID and the password you have to fill on the second link, and this second link I will show you here. This is the second link for the user login. So here you are on your Gmail also you will get this login ID and the password. Your Aadhaar number is your login ID, that is username, and the password is your date of birth. So I am putting this. After filling this information, a blank form will appear. This I am showing an example. So this is the already filled form, but in this way all these fields will be blank in your form once you click on the first time whenever you are clicking. So all this information you have to fill correctly. So I am showing one student form where student SSC name as per his SSC mark card, all these details, name, gender, and photo upload is compulsory here. Once you upload your photo, then you have to click on save button. One save button is given at the below the end. After saving this button, that photo will appear on this form. So that is important. After that all these details, admission details, parent details, educational information, address information, bank information, and certificate information are needed to be filled. So in admission details, your department, in which department you have admitted, BTech in civil, computer, all that branches you have to fill as per your branch you need to select. Then program, academic year 2021, this you have to select compulsorily. Then semester 1, admission type is regular. Quota, here you need to select as per your, if you are CET student or JEE student you have to select CAP, CET or JEE option. If you are selected by AI quota, then select that AI quota. The quotas are shown in the drop down menu. So as per your specification you have to select the quota. Then date of joining, on which date you have joined to the institute or reported to the institute, that date you have to select. Then your area, rural or urban, branch or cycle, here compulsory you have to select the branch option. This is important, you have to select the branch option here in branch or cycle. And then as per your allotted category and claim category, all the details are need to be filled properly. And then after all these details you have filled, one save button will appear here. So you have to click on save button and then go for the next parent information. So in this way all the details are needed to be filled correctly. So parent information you have to fill. Then educational information, here two educational informations are compulsory here. The first is SSC and second is HSC information. So here the PUC and PUC means 12th board and SLC means the 10th. All these details you have to fill here, and once you click on save button it will appear in the educational information like this. So this is already filled information I am showing. So same way you have to fill this educational details two times for 10th and 12th, and after saving this information like this tabular format you will get the educational information shown in your form. After that, the next is address information. Fill up your correspondence address, all the addresses, and once you saved it, it will be shown in the tabular format like this. So that is mean as this is already filled form, here I cannot edit, but once you first time login, you have to fill all these details, and these filled details after saving button, this tabular format data will be shown. After this, the next is bank information. Your bank information, if student bank account is not there, you have to select your parents bank account and fill the parent bank account details, and then last the certificate information, where you have to select this CET scorecard or JEE scorecard and upload that file. After that, again need to save button, and then this information will appear in the tabular format. And this is the last step, certificate information. After that, on your window you will have a submit button. You have to click submit button, that is compulsory. Once you submit that button, you have to your form is submitted, all the details are submitted, then you have to meet the ION head where your form will be approved. So that step is also important. After submitting your form, all these details are filled, the primary information and all this admission, parent, educational, bank, certificate, all this information is filled. You have to visit the ION administrator for the approval of the form. Thank you.